for one quick demo too. I finally got my locals switched. So this is also a work in progress, but it's something that folks have asked for repeatedly. So we've got custom formatting, powerful but super painful to apply, especially if you've got lots and lots of columns. We also have a bunch more formatting options too that are difficult to recreate, and so I just took a pass at copy and pasting formats. Oh, sorry, I think I maybe pasted a format on the same thing. We can so I've now applied this revenue custom format here. I want to apply it on the margin format here, and you basically can copy and paste the format from a column. It basically applies on a field level. Still like a little bit of work, and I would love some UX thoughts, but just like a little quality of life thing.